Juan Williams recently called the healthcare initiative that passed in Missouri by 71% old and white. So I decided, you know what? Let's, instead of talking about this at the Washington, D.C. level, let's look at this at the street level, actually where it occurred, in Missouri.
So Medicare right now is actually not as good for you as it was before.
No.
45 years ago, we made a solemn compact as a nation that senior citizens would not go without the health care they need. This is the promise we made when Medicare was born.
Really?
Right.
And you're saying they cut your Medicare?
In December, and I didn't even know it was cut.
Okay.
Until I went to the doctor, and I'm asthmatic, and I need my med.
According to this report, the steps we took this year to reform the healthcare system have put Medicare on a sounder financial footing.
So I went out on the street and I talked to black people, people who are supposedly affected by this healthcare legislation, and I wanted to get their opinion about it. Here's what I came up with.
All right, so I'm standing here. You are from St. Louis, right?
Yeah.
But you didn't happen to vote last Tuesday on Prop C?
No.
Well, actually, I didn't have a chance. No, I had to work.
No, sir, I didn't. I didn't hear about it till late.
Oh, then it was Tuesday. I should have voted.
Okay, so you didn't vote on Tuesday for Prop C.
No, I didn't.
Okay, but you would say healthcare is a serious issue for black folks?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the health care is not even enough, but it is a big issue that definitely should be supported.
Would you say that the majority of blacks did not vote on this prop?
Yeah.
And you did vote last week? All right, did you vote for Prop C or were you against it?
For it.
Really?
So I think a lot of blacks probably didn't.
Okay.
You know, a lot of blacks probably didn't. But they got out and did the door-to-door thing. A lot of for the presidential, you know, they should have like kind of did the same thing.
Okay.
Vote like that. But we didn't have any kind of literature that was delivered to our address here. I have 2 addresses here. We didn't have any literature. There was no signage. I'm not a big news watcher, you know, for quite a few reasons. But even in the public side, just being out here, I got a store here, so being out here, we didn't hear anything on the street level about it.
Okay. They're making it sound like it's like blacks didn't get the opportunity to vote on this, and my thing is, if it's that big of a deal to us, why didn't we support, you know, why didn't we vote against it here in the city?
Right. I don't think it don't matter too much who handling it, as long as somebody doing something about it.
Okay.
Really, like, you know, certain, you know, particular people got to handle it. As long as whoever got that control need to handle their business.
Okay.
It is a big issue.
So let me get this straight. 1, black people didn't vote for it because why? It wasn't easy enough. 2, black people didn't vote for it because they had other things to do. There appears to be disconnect between what's happening on the street and what we're being told in Washington. What a surprise.